Sometimes a browser on the user's computer does not display images due to some reasons, maybe because of slow connection or error in the SRC attribute. In that case, you can display the text to provide a description about the image. The alt attribute lets you specify the text as an alternate to the image. The only purpose of alt attribute is to provide a description of the contents of an image file. It is generally used in case the user is having a text-based browser on his computer, such as Linux. It also proves to be useful when the user is a blind surfer for whom the browser is programmed to read aloud the alternate text instead of displaying the image. In many cases, people have the image display disabled on their browsers or use settings that do not support automatic loading of images. In such cases as well, alt attribute is used. Students note the value for the alt attribute is a text string of up to 1024 characters, enclosed in quotation marks if you include spaces or other punctuation. HTML head title image at top of the screen /title style type equals to double quote in text /CSS double quote close. Body, curly braces in, background dash color, RGB, bracket in 255, 251, 214, bracket close, curly braces close, /style, /head, body, P, image SRC equals to double quote in, Santa workshop.gif, double quote close, alt equals to, double quote in image of the Santa hut, double quote close, style equals to float, right, semicolon, width, 200 pixels, semicolon, height, 150 pixel, /p, /body, /html. Okay, let's know more. You should always specify the width and height of an image. If width and height are not specified, the page will flicker at the time of image loading. Images in a table cell. You can also insert an image in a table cell. Let us understand it with an example. HTML head title creating a table /title style type equals to double quote in text /CSS double quote close. Body curly braces in background dash color RGB bracket in 255, 251, 214 bracket close curly braces close. Table TD, TH curly braces in border 1 pixel solid green curly braces close. Table curly braces in border dash collapse separate semicolon curly braces close. TD curly braces in text dash align center curly braces close. /style /head body center table. Caption H1 facilitates in a school /H1 caption. TRTD image SRC equals to double quote in playground.jpg double quote close style equals to width 100%. H3 big playground /H3/TD. TD image SRC equals to double quote in library.jpg double quote close style equals to width 100%. H3 a library /H3/TD. /TR call spam equals to 2 image SRC equals to double quote in school.jpg double quote close style equals to width 100%. H3 a school /H3 /TR TD image SRC equals to double quote in complab.jpg double quote close style equals to width 100%. H3 a computer lab /H3/TD. TD image SRC equals to double quote in music.jpg double quote close style equals to width 100%. H3 a music room /H3/TD /TR /table /center /body /HTML. Students, let us talk about linking web pages. A website consists of a number of web pages that give you access to related information. HTML renders a powerful feature of linking these web pages together. This feature is called hyperlinking. Using these hyperlinks, one can open any linked web page on the internet in no time. When you hover the mouse pointer over a link, it will turn into a little hand. Types of linking: internal linking, external linking. Internal linking: when one part of a web page is linked to another section on the same page, it is called internal linking. External linking: when one page is linked to another web page or website, it is called external linking. Okay, let's know more. By default, a link will appear like this in all browsers. An unvisited link is underlined and blue. A visited link is underlined and purple. An active link is underlined and red. Okay, let us understand the anchor tag. In HTML, the anchor tag A is used to mark the text as a hyperlink, which a user can click to display the document anchored to it. Being a container tag, it requires closing tag /A to mark the end of the text or image. This tag is generally used to specify the following: the text or image that is clicked to activate the link, the address that will be opened using the defined link. You can use hyperlinks in the following ways. Number 1. To jump from one section to another within the same web page. Number 2. To link to another page within the same website. Number 3. To link to another page or website anywhere in the world. href attribute. href is an attribute of a anchor tag which defines the document to which the link leads. Syntax: a href equals to double quote in value double quote close. Click here /a, where value equals to absolute URL. It points to another website like a href equals to double quote in http://www.google.com/ double quote in. A relative URL. It points to a file within a website like a href equals to double quote in click.html double quote close. Link to an email address like a href equals to double quote in mail to info@kips.in double quote close bracket close. Students, note that in the syntax given above, the text click here is called hypertext. Hypertext is a text which contains links to information, text, graphics or media on the same web page or on some other web page. Browser displays this text as underlined and colored. Type the following code and save the file with name click.html. HTML head title creating paragraphs /title style type double quote in text /css double quote close body curly braces in background dash color :RGB bracket in 255, 251, 214 bracket close curly braces close /style /head body p style equals to text dash align :center semicolon color :blue b thought of the day /b/p p style equals to text dash align justify. Each new day is a new challenge. To stay fresh and alive in spirit, there must be change. Find new tactics, methods, and modes of operation that are right for today's situation. Otherwise, you will be left behind and eventually be forgotten. /p p style equals to text dash align right semicolon color red b Kips team /b /p p style equals to text dash align center semicolon color blue. Always remember br b God helps those who help themselves /b /p /body /html Now type the following program code in a new file and save the file with the name link.html. HTML head title hyperlink example /title/head body a href equals to double quote in click.html double quote close. Click here /a/body/html. Students, remember, if the linked HTML document exists in a different folder, you must specify the complete path and name of the folder.